if I've had COVID, should I get the vaccine? Absolutely. If you've had COVID, we know that you can be reinfected. You can get COVID again. That being said, if you recently had COVID, let's say I get COVID today, we assume for the next 90 days that I have some immunity from that recent COVID. And it's unlikely that I'll get reinfected in these 90 days. You could choose for that reason to delay your vaccine, but you don't have to. You could go ahead and get the vaccine now. There were patients in the trial who had evidence of prior infection, and they did fine in the trial. They didn't have any adverse events. They had the same results as everybody else, so that's reassuring too. How does the vaccine affect test results? The COVID vaccine does not affect test results for active disease, meaning it does not affect your PCR test result. It does not affect a rapid antigen test. Those tests for active disease. So if you now have a cough or a fever, or you're testing because you had an exposure, or for whatever other reason, if those tests are positive, that is not because of the vax, you have the vid. As the vaccines start rolling out to the public, there's no end in sight to these questions. Visit firstprimarycare.com to find a doctor you can easily connect with via text, phone, or in person.